Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the kickstand from your Starlink dish. Let's get started. You don't need any tools, just make sure the Starlink dish is unplugged and placed upside down. The kickstand is connected at the bottom of the dish where the cable goes in. Now look closely, you will see a small release button or locking tab near the kickstand. This button is what holds the kickstand in place. Press and hold the release button firmly while holding it. Plug kickstand straight out. Do not twist it, it should slide out smoothly. Once removed, your Starlink dish is ready for a roof mount, pole mount or a wall mount. Keep the kickstand safe in case you need it later. And that's it, we have successfully removed the Starlink kickstand using just your hand. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.